Welcome to project module 4. In this module, we'll learn how to generate a complete content packaging using ChatGPT. By the end of these lessons, you'll be able to create a full blog post, craft a professional emails, and generate a concise summary report, all from a single prompt. This is perfect for like marketers, content creators, business professionals looking to save times while producing high quality content. And we'll break the process down step by step, and I will give you examples so you can follow along easy. So let's move into the here or let's move into the chat gpt. Okay, so here the step one is preparing your prompt. The quality of your output depends heavily on how you instruct chat gpt. For example, like if you want to create a blog post about like healthy snacks for busy professionals, a clear promotes might be like you need to, or you can say like something like write something 500 words block. So let's say the words block and post about. So let's say the about healthy. Let's write here the healthy and say the snacks, like the this one for busy. Let's say the busy professionals. So let's say the professionals. And also you can include like something, let's say the include um benefits. So let's go with the benefits and use the example. So let's say the example, and we want to use the actionable tips. Okay, so let's say the actionable tips. Okay, so and that's it. So now we can just press the enter, and here we have got like the healthy snacks for busy professional days, like fuel your productivity. Okay, so here into this fast paced word, like here we have the blog post over here. So notice how we or specify the word or count, like topic and the structure, and this helps chat gpt gives us content that's ready to use with like minimal editings. Okay, so and here, and once your prompt is ready, so let's generate the blog post. So here's how it works. Like you enter it promotes into chat gpt, and within seconds you will receive a full drafts. So for example, so let's say we gonna, or we can say the something, let's say like top 5 healthy snacks for busy professionals. We have like the this one, and this is here the introductions, and this one you can ask also the chat gpt to refine it for tone, professionals and casuals, or even or humorous. So always review and tweak the content to match your brand voice before publishing. And next, so we'll create an email. So emails can be used to share your blog post, promote a service, or engage your audience. So for example, promote with the chat gpt. So let's say right, if I gonna, and let's go with the new chat, and if I now say here, and let's go with, or let's say here the, or what we can do, so we can just write here the right, or let's go with the say right professionals. or here the email introductions, or introduction, or introductioning, like let's say the of the blog post about healthy, um or let's say the snacks for busy or professionals. So let's say professionals, and we can just say the include something like let's say the include a call to actions or CTA to read, let's say the to read the blog. Okay, so and that's it. So here's the like our simple output, like this is the over here like subject. So fill your workday with healthy snacks ideas. So hey, and should be the recipients names, and staying energized and focused during a busy workday and blah blah blah. So here we have these outputs. Okay, so notice how ChatGPT structure our subject and also the body and call to actions efficiently. You can even generate multiple versions and choose the best one. Okay, so that's it. The final place of your content package is the summary report. This is useful for like internal use or reportings our clients or trackings contents performance. So a promote could be like let's say the generate let's say the 20 word summary report. Let's go with and let's say the report of the blog post and say the about healthy snacks. Okay, so this one or we need to highlight it. So let's say the highlight, or we can do highlight key something like our point, and the actionable tips. So let's say the actionables tips. Okay, so that's it. And now just hit on the okay. So now here we have output like this is summary report healthy snacks for busy professionals, and the blog post like healthy snacks for busy professionals, and this is our the summary. Okay, so this report is conscious, easy to share, and ensure everyone on your team understand the content's purpose and key takeaway. So to save times and ensure consistency, use structure promotes with clear instructions and maintain a consistent tones across all content or pieces, and ask ChatGPT to rewrite of condensed content for clarity and generate multiple versions and select the best one for publishing. So with these tips, you can produce a complete content package in minutes instead of hours. Okay, so and to recap, in project 4 we learn how to generate a blog post and also from a clear structured promote, and craft a professional email to share the blog, and create a concise summary reports highlighting key points. So by mastering these steps you will be able to create content package quickly and professionally using ChatGPT. So start practicing with different topics, and soon you'll have a full library of ready to use content at your fingerprint. So now it's your turn. Open ChatGPT, create your promotes, and start generating your own content package.